SEAT, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Vivid Seed stock, this is a bearish market for me. I mean, having done well over 44,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with like Seed, Vivid Seed. We had like a split and something, but again, does not take away the fact that this is like one heck of a bearish market. And I'm not even saying this in like any sort of ill intentions way. It's just like genuinely the truth, right? It is the truth. Looking at this, boom, that's where we are. Just a 2-hour journal. Okay, yeah, that's exactly where we are. And yeah, this is just candles all over the place. Honestly, like this is nothing but just a bearish range for me. If you're like, Mr. Sicko, but when is it going to be bullish? Well, for me, it must break above 37.94. Other than that, it's just pure noise. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.